Hello students, today I am going to start your new topic in differentiation, that is the logarithmic differentiation. First of all, we must know that where this method is applied. Whenever there is a function of this type, that the base and the power both are the functions in terms of x, means in terms of any variable, like here this. Suppose it is your 2x plus 3 raised to power sine x. This is also in terms of, this is a linear function, linear polynomial in terms of x, and this is also trigonometric function in terms of x. If you find any such kind of function where the base as well as the power both are given, different functions in terms of the same variable, in that case, or in the case of the different variables even, in that case we apply this for this type of differentiation, logarithmic differentiation. But it is not necessary that if means the base, it may be like this, it may be any constant. It may be any constant because it can be written as 2x raised to power 0. 2 means 2x raised to power 0. So base may be the constant. Even in that case also we can apply this type of differentiation. And if there is long division or long multiplication, in that case also we can apply logarithmic differentiation. And before going it further, let us try to understand the formulae which will be applied here. These are the formula for the log. If log of a raised to power b is given to you, in that case this b will come here. It will become b log of a. Okay. Then next is log of ab. Log of ab. Then it is a into b. Then it becomes log of a plus log of b. Next is, if it is log a upon b, then it becomes log of a minus log of b. And let me tell you one thing that is very, very important in all these logs we are taking in mathematics. We are taking your base e in all these logarithms. We are taking base e. Even if we are not writing it, you have to consider it. It is already there. You have to take it in consideration that e is here in the base, whether it is written or it is not written. Log e is equal to 1. If the base is e and you are finding the log of the e and base is also e, then it is 1. It is not only in the case of e. Whenever in physics mostly, that is log base 10. Log base 10. If base is 10 and you take the log of 10, then it comes 1. Means if the base and this domain both are same, in that case we take it 1. Suppose you are taking log of 3 and 3 is the base, then also it is 1. Okay. So actually how do the log comes, if we try to understand that, then it is, suppose 10 raised to power 1 is equal to 10. Then how log is taken? Log of this base, it will be written here, it comes here, and this 10 will come here, equal to this 1. Suppose e raised to power 1, e I am taking. Then log base, this will be this e. This e will come here, this e will come here, is equal to 1. And it is applied everywhere. So whenever your base is equal to the domain, here whatever is written, the function on which it is applied, if base is e and the log is applied on e only, then it is 1. Okay. And if it is, suppose in all these log base, I have written here it is log base e, but if it is not log base e, the base is something else, then we can't differentiate it. So first of all we need to change the base of this log by using the log base change formula. What is that formula? You write down log here and log in the denominator also. So whatever, now take the base, whatever the base you want to take, you take that base. I want to take base e, so I have written e. Now this base e comes here in the denominator and this b will remain here. You can see I have written it here. So before starting this logarithmic differentiation, you must learn all these formulae, because without it, it won't be possible for you to solve these questions. So these are very easy. You write all these formulae twice in your notebook, then you will be easily able to apply these in the questions. So suppose if the function is y is equal to ux raised to power vx, then how do we differentiate it by logarithmic differentiation? In that case, first of all, by taking logarithm on both sides, logarithm में to base e ही लेना है, whether it is written or not. I have not written here. It is understood that it is automatically e is here in mathematics. Okay, and whenever e will not be here, then it will be specified in the question. Okay, so I have taken a log here also. I have taken log here. Whenever you are equal to sign is here and you are taking log, then it will be taken on both sides. When you will take anti-log, to remove this log means we take anti-log. In that case also it is taken on both sides. So now log y is equal to this vx, because this is a now and this is b. This is a, this is b. This b will come here by using this formula. Right? B will come to this side, whatever is the power. Whatever is the power on that function on which log is applied. Vx is the function which is being applied on ux, on which this log function is being applied. So Vx will come here, Vx into log of ux. Now you can see here, and one thing very important, that whenever you can apply this log on both sides only when this is positive, ux is positive ux. क्योंकि log का जो डोमेन होता है, that is your 0 to infinity. Domain of log x is 0 to infinity, means the positive real numbers. Therefore, if whatever is written here on which you are going to apply the log, if it would be negative, then it won't be possible. It is not defined in that case. So in that case, log can't be applied if this ux is negative, and we are applying the log here also on this means you can say y or fx. If these will be negative, then you won't be able to apply log on this. So let us start sums of exercise 5.5. And the students, in first question of exercise 5.5, you are to differentiate this y is equal to cos x cos 2x into cos 3x. Now students, you can do it by applying the product rule also, but it becomes very lengthy. As I told you, if there is long multiplication or long division, in that case also we can differentiate it by taking that logarithmic differentiation. So I am going to differentiate it by taking the logarithmic differentiation. So first of all, taking log, okay? So log of y is equal to log of cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x. Now you see, you are to check which identity I can apply from these. Of course, this one, because here are two functions in multiplication which can be written separately like this. So here three functions you can see in multiplication on which we have applied the log. So it would become, after this, it would become log of first function plus log of second function, then plus log of third function. You can write the supportive reason why you have log of cos of 3x. Write down the supportive reason because log of AB is equal to log of A plus log of b. This is the reason you have written it here like this. Now I will differentiate it with respect to x. Now because I am differentiating it with respect to x, take care of it. I am saying I am differentiating it with respect to x. So what is the formula to differentiate any function by y? So log x का differentiation याद करिए बेटा. log x का differentiation क्या होता था? 1 upon whatever is this x, है ना. तो आप यहाँ पर log y है, तो y को आप x मान लीजिए. So it is 1 upon y. But now we are differentiating it with respect to x. So I need to, जिसको हमने x suppose किया है, we need to differentiate that also with respect to x. Okay? So this is dy by dx. Now I will differentiate this. I will consider this is my x now. So log का फर्क क्या है? Differentiation का formula 1 upon whatever is written with log, on which log is being applied. So log of cos x का 1 upon cos x. अब इसको आपने x suppose किया था, इसका differentiation बताइए. cos x का differentiation I am doing it directly now. Okay? What is the differentiation of cos x? That is minus sin x plus. Now come here. What is the differentiation of log cos 2x? 1 upon cos 2x into, अब इसका differentiation cos 2x. अब इसमें x नहीं है, 2x है, तो इसको आप सर्कल कर लीजिए. तो अब cos का डेरिवेटिव माइनस साइन 2x into, अब क्योंकि हमने इसको x माना था, now we need to take differentiation of this also. 2x का differentiation 2. Okay. Then plus this plus differentiation of this log of cos 3x 1 upon, because this is my x now, 1 upon x means 1 upon cos 3x. Now I will take differentiation of this cos 3x. cos 3x में cos x का differentiation basic formula, as per the basic formula I know to take how to take the differentiation of cos x, but here it is cos 3x. तो cos 3x में इसको x लेके इसका differentiation minus sin 3x into, अब इस 3x का differentiation that is 3. So what ultimately it is becoming 1 upon y dy by dx. This is minus sin x upon cos x minus tan x. Okay, this is 2 minus minus 2 sin 2x upon cos 2x tan 2x. Okay, so this is minus 3 sin 3x upon cos 3x. This is tan 3x. Now look here students, this y is here in the multiplication and it will go to this side. Okay, so this will become dy by dx and minus is common from all these, so it would remain inside the bracket tan x tan 2x plus 2 tan 2x plus 3 tan 3x here. And now this minus and y will go to this side, but what is your y? What is your y? Y is cos x cos 2x into cos 3x. So this is your final answer. And this students, you can see here, this is y of square root of x minus 1 into x minus 2 upon x minus 3 into x minus 4 into x minus 3, 5. There is long, you can see multiplication is more. So first of all, I am going to change this square root in the form 1 by 2. Now taking log on both sides. So this will become log y and it will become log of x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 4 and x minus 5 raised to power 1 by 2. As per this formula, if there is something a raised to power b, then b will come here to this side. So अब ये 1 by 2, it will be shifted to this side. So 1 by 2 is coming here. Okay. So after this, because it is in multiplication and these three factors are in division, तो आप ये वाला फॉर्मूला भी लगेगा. जो मल्टीप्लिकेशन में है वो प्लस कर दो, एंड व्हाटएवर इज इन डिवीजन, जो डिनोमिनेटर में है उनके साथ माइनस लगा दीजिए. सिंपल सी बात है. तो आप इसको लिखिए 1 by 2 will remain outside. Then log of these two are in multiplication, add कर लो x minus 1 plus log of x minus 2. ये सारे डिनोमिनेटर में है. डिनोमिनेटर में इनको आप इकट्ठा, वैसे तो देखिए log of x minus 3 minus log of x minus 4 minus log of x minus 5. Okay. Now I am going to differentiation. After separating all these, I am going to differentiate it with respect to x. Differentiate it with respect to x. Then it will be log of y का differentiation 1 upon y into now differentiation of y with respect to x is dy by dx. This 1 by 2 is in multiplication with this, so 1 by 2 will remain as it is. Log x minus 1 का differentiation सबसे पहले 1 upon whatever is this x minus 1. अब x minus 1 का differentiation into 1 minus 0 means 1. Okay, so plus log of x minus 2 का differentiation 1 upon x minus 2. Now x minus 2 का differentiation that is 1. You can proceed it like this and complete it yourself. Later on you are to take this y to this side and put the value of y. Hanji, in this question number 3, you can find in the base as well as in the power, both are the functions in terms of x. So we will differentiate it by logarithmic differentiation. So taking log on both sides directly, taking log on both sides. So what happens? This is log of y is equal to log of किसका log लेंगे? इसका log लेना है. तो log of log x raised to power cos x. Is it clear? Please try to understand it carefully. You are to take log on both sides. So it is log of y and here it will be log. You are to write down log outside in both of these functions. You are to apply log here and you are to apply log here. Write down it as it is. Now as by this identity, if it is log a raised to power b, so this whatever is the power, it comes outside of the log. So because it is the power, it won't come here, because most of the students they commit this error. You are to see this cos x is the power of this. This is the power. This is a and this is b. This is a and this is b. So this b comes outside of this log. It doesn't come along with this a. Okay, if you compare it with that formula. So it becomes log of y is equal to this cos will come outside here. So it becomes cos x log of, because this is a composite function, you can see. ये multiply नहीं हो रहा है, ये एक function है और ये एक function है. Both of these are not being multiplied. क्यों नहीं है multiply किए? देखिए, ये तो log x exist कर रहा है, but here this log alone, it not surviving, it is not existing alone, because this is a composite function. This log is being applied on this log x. So now this function is one function and this function is the another function, and these are being multiplied with each other. So when we will take different value, when we differentiate it, then we need to apply the product rule. Okay, now differentiated with respect to x, then this 1 upon y, okay, log of x की differentiation से आप इसको करेंगे into differentiation of y with respect to x. Okay, cos x का differentiation minus sin x. Differentiation of first function ये होता है ना u v multiplication में है, तो product rule क्या है? u का differentiation v as it is, u as it is, v का differentiation. Likewise, differentiation of cos x, second function v function will be written as it is, log of log x will be written as it is plus. Now cos x will be written as it is into now differentiation of this. अब ये log है, log का differentiation क्या होता है? इसको आप x मान लीजिए, इसको x मान लीजिए. What is the differentiation of log? 1 upon whatever is this log x into, क्योंकि अब हमारा x ही है ना, log x का differentiation 1 upon x होता है, x की जगह log x आएगा, into अब इस x का जो हमने x जिसे suppose किया है, अब उसका differentiation उसमें फिर चेक करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि ये log फंक्शन है, फिर दोबारा log का ही log वाले फॉर्मूले से ही इसका डिफरेंशिएशन होगा. अब इसमें x है यहाँ पर, सो डायरेक्टली 1 अपॉन x, क्योंकि इसमें x है तो इस log का डिफरेंशिएशन 1 अपॉन x. So now dy by dx is equal to, take this y to this side and instead of writing y you write it here log x raised to power cos x. ठीक है, आप इसको y की वैल्यू यहाँ से दोबारा हमने सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दी है. नाउ व्हाट इज दिस, माइनस साइन x log of log x plus this is cos x upon this x log x, x log x. So this is done. And the students, in this question we can see there is a function and in the power also there is a function x raised to power x minus 2 raised to power sin x is also here. So when now we can't apply log directly. Why? Because log can be applied directly whenever two functions are in product or in division. जब दो functions आपस में multiply हो रहे हैं तभी आप उसमें log लगा सकते हैं डायरेक्टली, या डिवाइड हो रहे हैं. जब दो फंक्शंस दे आर बीइंग एडेड और सब्ट्रैक्टेड तो आप यू कांट अप्लाई लॉग डायरेक्टली. अब इसमें आप डायरेक्टली लॉग नहीं लगा सकते बिकॉज दिस इज अनदर टर्म, देयर आर टू टर्म्स एक्चुअली. ये दो अलग अलग टर्म्स हो गई आपके पास. अगर आप मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, सपोज करो x रेज़ टू पावर x 2 रेज़ टू पावर sin x, ये तो एक ही टर्म होती है ना. तो इन मल्टीप्लिकेशन अगर इफ इट हैपेंस देन वी कैन डायरेक्टली अप्लाई logarithmic differentiation, but here we can't apply log, we can't take log here. So what to do, how do we do such type of question? In this question, first of all we suppose there are two different functions, this is u and minus and this is v. Then differentiate because this u function is in terms of this x variable, and this is also in terms of x. Either you write or if you don't write even then also there is no problem. So now dy by dx, if we differentiate it with respect to x, y को differentiate with respect to x, this is dy by dx, and u को you are differentiating, so du by dx minus v you are differentiating, then dv by dx and name it 1. Okay, ध्यान रखना, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अगर दो फंक्शंस आपके एडिशन या सब्ट्रैक्शन में हैं तो आप डायरेक्टली लॉग नहीं ले सकते हैं. आपको सबसे पहले इस तरीके से u v उनको कंसिडर करना है, ये स्टेप करना है, फिर उसके बाद करना है. सो नाउ u, कंसिडर u किसके इक्वल लिया आपने, x रेज़ टू पावर x है. ठीक है, अब आप इसका लॉग लीजिए, टेकिंग लॉग, इसको अलग से कीजिए, टेकिंग लॉग. So it will become log of u log of x raised to power x. और आपको पता है इसमें पावर जो होती है आगे आ जाती है. So this is log u. यहाँ पर आप इसको ले ही आइए, यहाँ पर अब डिफरेंशिएटिंग विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x. अब आप ये देखिए दो फंक्शंस हो गए ना मल्टीप्लिकेशन में, यहाँ पर प्रोडक्ट हो गया, पहला फंक्शन ये दूसरा फंक्शन. तो आप जब आप इसका डिफरेंशिएशन करेंगे तो log u का डिफरेंशिएशन पहले देखिए, 1/u, u का डिफरेंशिएशन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x, x का डिफरेंशिएशन 1 log x एज इट इज प्लस x एज इट इज log x का डिफरेंशिएशन 1/this x, और x का डिफरेंशिएशन तो 1 ही होता है. सो दिस इज लाइक दिस. सो du by dx, ये u इधर जाएगा और u की वैल्यू पुट कर दीजिए, x raised to power x, this is log x and plus 1. So I can write down this 1 plus log x here, and this is value of du by dx. So this is number 2. I will substitute later here. I am finding first of all I have this calculated this from this differentiated u with respect to x. Now I will differentiate v with respect to x and put their values here in this equation. So now I will consider v. V is 2 raised to power sin x. If you compare it, students, so with a raised to power x, a is the constant, If I differentiate it with respect to x, I know the formula a raised to power x log of a and then differentiation of x, that is 1. तो I can do it directly also, or you can take log on both sides. वैसे करना चाहते हैं तो वैसे, but if you do it directly you can save your time. So if I differentiate it with respect to x, then by applying the formula, what is the differentiation of this question as it is 2 raised to power sin x, because this time I have considered this is my x. this is my a and this is my x. So a raised to power x as it is, then log of a means log of this 2 into this, into derivative of this x, क्योंकि मैंने इसको x माना है तो अब इसका डेरिवेटिव भी तो मुझे लिखना पड़ेगा. What is the derivative of sin x? This is cos, now derivative of sin x. Okay, so you otherwise you can take it directly also. This is 2 raised to power sin x log 2 into cos x. Okay, this is your 2, sorry 3. So I have found the value of du by dx also. I have found the value of dv by dx also. So I can put their values here in one using, putting values of du by dx and dv by dx in dv by dx in 1. So this is dy by dx is equal to du by dx x raised to power x 1 plus log x, and then minus dv by dx is this 2 raised to power sin x log 2 into cos x. So this is your final answer. And students, now I have taken question number 7. In this question most of the students they make the errors. So what is this question? Y is equal to log x raised to power x plus x raised to power log x. Because plus sign is here, so I will do it like this: u plus v and dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. Okay, name it 1. Now consider u is equal to, what is u? Log x raised to power x. Okay, now du by dx डिफरेंट, आप इसमें टेकिंग log, so this is log of u is equal to log of this log x raised to power x. I know whatever is the power it comes here, so I am going to write it here. Now differentiating with respect to x, so it becomes 1 upon u du by dx x. What is the difference? Because this is one function, this is another function in product, so I will apply the product rule. Differentiation of x is 1 log of log x as it is plus x as it is, and differentiation of this, इसको x मान के पहले क्या होगा 1 upon log x into, अब इसका differentiation log x का 1 upon x, this is cancelled. So when u comes to this side, u की वैल्यू पुट कर दीजिए log x raised to power x, so it is log of log x plus 1 upon log x. Okay, this is your number 2. Now consider v. V is equal to x raised to power log x. Taking log of v is equal to log of x raised to power log x. By applying the formula of log, this log x will come to this side. Log v is equal to log x into log x. Both of these are same. देखो ये log x इधर आया, ये भी log x हो गया, ये भी log x हो गया. अब या तो आप प्रोडक्ट रूल अप्लाई कीजिए, it's up to you. It's up to you. Either you apply the log rule or you can take it, you can write it log x raised to power 2. तो I am taking it like this. या तो प्रोडक्ट रूल लगा लीजिए, मैं इसको दूसरे वाले से कर दूँ, मैं इसमें log x raised to power 2 करके कर दूँ. Now differentiating with respect to x, it becomes 1 upon v dv by dx. पावर लगेगा तो पावर बाहर आ गया, log x एक पावर कम हो गया इनटू, अब ये बेस का डेरिवेटिव log x का डेरिवेटिव 1 upon x. तो ये dv by dx क्या आ गया आपके पास, v क्या था x raised to power log x into 2 by x log x. Now this is 3. Put the value of 2 and 3 in 1 and you will get the answer. And the students, in this question number 8 you have been given sin x raised to power x plus sin inverse root x. देखिए फिर दोबारा प्लस आएगा यहाँ पर, तो हम क्या करेंगे इसमें u plus v. अब आप u का डेरिवेटिव बाय अप्लाइंग द लॉगरिथमिक डिफरेंशिएशन यू कैन फाइंड आउट, है ना. तो अब इसके बाद v का फंक्शन कैसे, v फंक्शन जो आपको दिया हुआ है तो इसमें तो ऐसी कोई ज़रूरत ही नहीं है, देयर इज नो नीड ऑफ अप्लाइंग द लॉगरिथमिक डिफरेंशिएशन, इट कुड बी डन डायरेक्टली. सो इनवर्स फंक्शन का डेरिवेटिव लगाएंगे हम इसमें. साइन इनवर्स x का जो डेरिवेटिव होता है वो होता है 1 अपॉन स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 1 माइनस इस x का स्क्वायर. सो वी विल अप्लाई दैट फॉर्मूला. सो dv बाई dx क्या होगा, 1 अपॉन स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 1 माइनस, अब जो भी x माना हमने ये इसका स्क्वायर इनटू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ, अब जो आपने x माना था रूट x का डेरिवेटिव 1 अपॉन 2 रूट x, तो ये हो गया 1 अपॉन 2 रूट x और ये साथ में 1 माइनस x. अब अगर रूट x को अंदर मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं तो 1 अपॉन 2 x माइनस x स्क्वायर. इट वुड बी रिटन लाइक दिस. Okay students, now this is dv by dx, du by dx you can apply, you can do it yourself, then put the value of du by dx and dv by dx here. And students, ये एक ऐसा question है जिसमें most of the students they make the errors. So let us see this question. Y is equal to u plus v and dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. Okay, so name it one. First of all we consider u. U is x cos x raised to power x. So du by, first of all take log because here power is also you can say function in terms of x. So taking log, so log u is equal to log of x cos x raised to power x. जो भी power है take it here, तो x यहाँ पर आ गया. अब आप डिफरेंशिएट कीजिए विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x, तो ये हो जाएगा 1 अपॉन यू डी यू बाई डी एक्स. अब यहाँ पर दो फंक्शंस हैं जिनका यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो रहा है, तो प्रोडक्ट रूल फॉर डिफरेंशिएशन विल बी अप्लाइड. एक्स का डिफरेंशिएशन 1 लॉग ऑफ एक्स कॉस एक्स एज इट इज आएगा प्लस एक्स एज इट इज. अब इसका डिफरेंशिएशन, अब आप इसको x मानिए तो 1 अपॉन एक्स कॉस एक्स इनटू, अब इसका डिफरेंशिएशन जिसे आपने x माना, अब यहाँ पर दो फंक्शंस हैं, अब यहाँ पर आपको दो फंक्शंस दिख रहे हैं, तो आप इनका प्रोडक्ट रूल लगा के डिफरेंशिएशन कीजिए. तो ये हो जाएगा x का डिफरेंशिएशन 1 cos x एज इट इज प्लस x एज इट इज cos x का डिफरेंशिएशन माइनस sin x. ठीक है, अब x से x कैंसिल हो गया और यहाँ पर आपके पास आया log ऑफ x cos x. cos x अंदर जाएगा तो डिवाइड हो गए cos x डिवाइडेड बाय cos x 1 माइनस x sin x अपॉन cos x tan x हो जाएगी. ठीक है, ये आ गया आपके पास. ओके, नाउ u विल कम टू दिस साइड, तो u भी आ गया इधर 1 अपॉन u, इधर du बाई dx. u की वैल्यू पुट कर दो, u की वैल्यू पुट कर दो, u की वैल्यू x cos x raised to power x. Okay. अब sometimes means what do the students do? They do it like this. X, देखो ये तो मैंने आपको करके दिखा दिया है. इसमें क्या करते हैं कि they along with log two functions are in product. log के साथ दो फंक्शन प्रोडक्ट में है तो उनको ऐसे सेपरेट कर लेते हैं, तो वो ऐसे करते हैं log of x प्लस log of cos x, ऐसे कर देते हैं. ठीक है, फिर इसके बाद x का डिफरेंशिएशन 1 प्रोडक्ट रूल लगाएंगे एंड log ये एज इट इज आ जाएगा log x प्लस log ऑफ cos x प्लस x एज इट इज. अब इसका डिफरेंशिएशन 1 अपॉन x, इसका फिर प्लस और इसका डिफरेंशिएशन 1 अपॉन cos x का डिफरेंशिएशन माइनस sin x. तो ये हो जाएगा. अब फिर x से मल्टीप्लाई करके इट्स अप टू यू, हाउ डू यू लाइक टू डू इट, इट्स अप टू यू. आई have done it in this way. अच्छा, इसमें भी ऐसे ही कीजिए, इसको v मानिए. v क्या है, x sin x raised to power 1 by x. अब log लेंगे तो log v, और ये log जब लेते हैं तो ये बाहर आ जाती है पावर log of x sin x. अब आप 1 upon v dv by dx डिफरेंशिएशन किया. 1 upon x का डिफरेंशिएशन क्या होता है, माइनस 1 by x स्क्वायर. ये एज इट इज आएगा प्लस 1 अपॉन एक्स एज इट इज आएगा. अब इसका डिफरेंशिएशन, अब इसको x मानिए, इसका डिफरेंशिएशन 1 अपॉन एक्स साइन एक्स. फिर इसका डिफरेंशिएशन जिसको आपने x माना था, इसमें दो फंक्शंस प्रोडक्ट में है, प्रोडक्ट रूल लगेगा. x का डिफरेंशिएशन 1 साइन एक्स एज इट इज प्लस x एज इट इज साइन x का डिफरेंशिएशन cos x. ओके, तो ये हो गया -1/x², दिस इज 1/v dv/dx, दिस इज log x sin x, ठीक है। अब ये x sin x अंदर मल्टीप्लाई होगा तो आपका ये x sin x से sin x कैंसिल, 1/x, और इधर से x से x कैंसिल, ये cot x, ये -1/x² log of x sin x प्लस 1/x² प्लस cot x बाय x²। इसके बाद आप -x² से अंदर मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए, फिर ये v की वैल्यू इधर आएगी, फिर जो आएगा उसको आप यहाँ पुट कर दीजिए। लॉन्ग कैलकुलेशन इज देयर, ओके, इट्स a lengthy question and many times it has come in your board exams for 4 marks. Hi students, sometimes this question comes in the form of this type of means equations. तो अब इसमें क्या करें, ये अलग फंक्शन, ये अलग फंक्शन, ये है, तो अब इसको u प्लस v इज इक्वल टू 1 मान लीजिए। तो du/dx प्लस dv/dx इक्वल टू 1 का डिफरेंशिएशन 0। अब आप u अलग से लीजिए x⁻y और v अलग लीजिए y⁻x, दोनों में log लीजिए अलग अलग, तो log ऑफ u इज इक्वल टू y log x हो जाएगा, इसका डिफरेंशिएशन अलग कीजिए, और इधर log ऑफ v इज इक्वल टू x log y हो जाएगा, इसका डिफरेंशिएशन अलग कीजिए, और वो जो भी डिफरेंशिएशन आएगा पुट इट हियर। Likewise, one more question. I am giving you the hint to solve these questions. You have to try these questions yourself. It is y raised to question number 13. Y raised to power x is equal to x raised to power y. Here, beta, there is no plus sign. Only equal to sign is here. Then we can take log on both sides directly. So log of y raised to power x is equal to log x raised to power y. It becomes x log y. It becomes y log x. Now differentiate on both sides directly. Differentiating with respect to x. तो x का differentiation 1 log y as it is plus अब x as it is और log y का differentiation 1 on y into dy/dx. Here differentiation of y is dy/dx because these two are in multiplication. Log x as it is plus y as it is, log x का differentiation 1/x by product rule. Now take these two terms on one side, those who are having dy/dx, and then find out dy/dx after taking dy/dx common. Okay. And the students, this is question number 15. I have taken xy is equal to e raised to power x minus y. So I am going to take log on both sides, taking log क्योंकि इक्वल टू है, यहाँ पर कोई प्लस माइनस अलग अलग आपके एक्सप्रेशंस नहीं है, टर्म्स नहीं अलग अलग, so I am taking log on both sides directly. So log of xy is equal to log of e raised to power x minus y. Okay, log of xy can be by applying this rule. It can be written as log of x plus log of y. And it can be, because here this property can be applied, so it is x minus y log e. As I have written here, if it is log e, then its value is 1. So it is log of x plus log of y is equal to x minus y into 1. Now I will differentiate it with respect to x. So it becomes log x का differentiation, because it is x here, 1 upon x directly. Here it is y, so 1 upon y. Because it is y, I am differentiating with respect to x, so dy/dx. And what is the differentiation of x? That is 1 minus what is the differentiation of y? That is minus dy/dx. Take this dy/dx to this side and this 1/x to this side. So 1/y dy/dx plus dy/dx equal to 1 minus 1/x. So dy/dx is common. So what is left here? 1 upon y plus 1. And here take the LCM x minus 1. And here also take the LCM. So y if you take as LCM, so it becomes this. Okay. So now dy/dx becomes this y will shift to this side, x minus 1 upon this x, and this y plus 1 will come to this side. This is your answer. I hope students the concept of the logarithmic differentiation is clear to all of you, and now you will be able to solve all the sums of this exercise yourself. Thank you.